Alright, MacGyver's been working his ass off this morning. He's got everything pulled off him. Got the insides blue, just the way I wanted them. This is how you can tell what year these boxes are. 1991. It'll just say 91. But yeah, this one's ready for primer. There's going to be a lot of pitting. Yep, missed a spot. I'm going to figure out how to get in there. And here's one that's pretty close to being done. I think I'm going to put another coat of white on it. And the inside with the blue. And there we go. We're getting there. Alright, box number 2. Gray is pretty much done. We're done coating it. White is looking good. And then we're going to go in here. And I'm going to show you the bolts. Putting a 5/16 stainless steel to do the mounts. And this is how you line up whether your drill bit's big enough. Basically, center it and see if the drill bit clears on each side of it. And if it does, that'll be a big enough hole. And we're going to use a drill press to punch that shit out.
It won't wobble too much.
Alright, Engine Joe is schooling me. Says I need to center punch these.
Good.
So I guess I have to pull it completely off to do that.
Hopefully. Kind of hard because I don't have a bent center punch at an angle.
Friggin' BC put his initials up here when they should have been here. So we're going to NT8 it to make it work. And what we're going to do is we're going to do 4 holes. 1. Two. This is scientific shit, and I'm not using the Cialis measuring tape. I'm NT8ing it. 3. Well, I guess we're going to put 5. 4. Great job, NT8, you fuck. You really suck at this fucking metalworking shit. 5. Alright, 5 of them. And we'll be right back. Alright, you're not going to be able to see this, but... that would be 1. And then you have to loosen this friggin' bolt down here. And I need a rag. Be back. Alright, hole number 2. And the Apache's fucking checking shit out. Started, give it a little shot of oil. think it's because I got that sock around it to keep it from getting scratched. Which I should have done this before I even fucking painted it, but that's alright. It'll clean up well. So there's 2 holes. And no, they're not going to be centered. I don't really care. Once I get this done, then I will go from there. Because this is going to be my template for drilling holes in the boxes.
Box already got a hole.
Come on, you fucking fuck.
Change the shed set.
I got it.
I figured,
nothing works well.
I figured you had it figured out.
Fingered.
Yeah, fingered.
Bitch. Right there. So what I do is I press down on the drill bit once I get it over the hole, then I tighten up the bottom and hold it in place.
A little bit of oil.
We're going to drill.
You're not good.
Alright, update. Lids are done, inside and out. This box needs one more coat. This one looks absolutely delicious. Tomorrow we'll put the clear coat on it. And I'm working the these. Gonna have to redo that one. There's too much oil on it from the drilling. But the main thing I was interested in is taking care of the bare metal when it came in the box. So we are rocking on the Sertao.
My buddy Jeff was in such a big fucking hurry to get that fucking hot tub. He's got it filled. Hasn't hooked up the wire yet.
Be back.
Oh, he's all well.